Hi guys, wanted to show you a new feature that Gmail or Google Workspace, if you're using Google's servers for your professional and business email, has released. Down in the system tray here, there's set up a time to meet. If we click on that, you can click on offer times that you're free, and let's add in some random times here in the calendar. It pops up on the sidebar. So we've selected 6, it's down here for a 30-minute duration. Ask you to confirm. You can change your event title up here. You can add that to the email, and then when you send it to the recipient, they simply need to select the most convenient time slot that you're available, and you can meet. That's it. So that's a new feature that will save a lot of back and forth and valuable time in your business or even personally. Hope that helps, and enjoy your day.